It's important for youth in my community to learn about entrepreneurship,
human rights,
climate change, storytelling,
environmental rights,
mental health.
I'm a huge fan of this program because it is the intersection of storytelling and impact. In fact, it highlights exactly how storytelling can be impactful, because storytelling can lead to change. Storytelling humanizes people, it humanizes issues.
I am really excited about receiving the sandbox because I think that it will really encourage my community in having different conversations around issues, especially of mental health.
The sandbox gives us that empowerment, those skills, those tools to bring change to our communities. And for our communities, I think it gives them hope and a chance to just dream and to just see the world in a different way.
I am looking forward to using the sandbox to showcase the films that are around conservation in actually unlocking education in my area.
Through Sunshine Cinema, I was now able to rebrand, to register my business and to prove that I can be consistent.
I've always been passionate about taking pictures and designing things, but I didn't have the proper equipment to do so. The program has given us some equipment to work on. I've managed to have side businesses that helps me to at least take care of some responsibilities at home.
I love this program because the invitation is simply be a spark. You don't need to be the entire fire. There is plenty of wood. All we need is that catalyst, that moment, and that will spark a raging fire of change.